rose, tulip, lily, orchid, sunflower, daisy, marigold, daffodil, jasmine, hibiscus, lotus, peony, chrysanthemum, lavender, carnation, petunia, dahlia, iris, gardenia, begonia, pansy, zinnia, aster, freesia, gladiolus, hydrangea, camellia, bluebell, anemone, azalea, bougainvillea, calla lily, buttercup, morning glory, primrose, snapdragon, sweet pea, foxglove, cosmos, geranium, violet, lilac, snowdrop, crocus, periwinkle, oleander, hollyhock, ranunculus, verbena, yarrow, phlox, clematis, delphinium, alstroemeria, heather, wisteria, coreopsis, nemezia, nasturtium, bouvardia, tuberose, Queen Anne's lace, lantana, lobelia, angelonia, scabiosa, trillium, spider lily, waxflower, statice, balloon flower, bee balm, blazing star, canna lily, flaxflower, forget-me-not, fuchsia, gaillardia, gaura, heliotrope, honesty flower, lupine, monkshood, Nurembergia, painted daisy, pasca flower, penstemon, plumeria, red valerian, rock cress, rue, sea holly, sea thrift, star of Bethlehem, strawflower, thunbergia, treasure flower, tithonia, wallflower, watsonia, winter jasmine, zephyranthes,